Hello students, how are you? Hope that all of you are fine. Today I am going to discuss from class 6 science sorting of material into groups. And from there today I will discuss some question answer. So let's start today's discussion with question answer. First question is a material that have lustre or shine. If this is the question, then what will be the answer? We have so many options: gold, silver, or platinum. Anyone may be the answer of this question. Next question: example of a rough surface. So we have also so many options. We can say the stone or the brick or the bark of the tree, etc. Next, which type of material allow light to pass through them? The answer will be transparent material. Give an example of transparent material. The answer will be clear glass, air, clean water, etc. Next, give an example of material which do not have lustre. The answer will be cardboard or wood or rubber or paper. Anyone we can say answer. Next, give an example of smooth surface. So we can say flower petal or surface of the mirror or the surface of an apple. Next, name a liquid which do not dissolve in water. The answer will be petrol or mustard oil, etc. Next, which type of materials are called opaque material? The material which do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque material. Example, we can say wood or any metal we can say. Next, we can say name the states of matter. So answer will be solid, liquid and gas. Next, a state of matter that has definite shape and volume, and the answer will be solid state. Next, a state of matter that have no definite shape or volume. The answer will be gas. Which state of matter have definite volume but do not have definite shape? The answer will be liquid. Next, which state of matter can compressed very easily? The answer will be gas. Next, name the states of matter and give one example for each. The states of matter and examples you can say solid, ice, liquid, water and gas, water vapor. Next, which type of materials are called soluble in water? Solids that dissolve in water are called soluble in water. For example, we can say sugar or common salt. Next, which materials are called immiscible in water? Liquids that do not dissolve in water are said to be immiscible in water. For example, we can say mustard oil, coconut oil, petrol, etc. Next it is whether gases can dissolve in water or not. Answer will be yes. Now the question is give some example of gases which can dissolve in water. The answer will be carbon dioxide, oxygen, etc. Next, write the characteristics of a solid. The answer is they have a definite shape and volume. They cannot be compressed easily. The particles they are made up of are packed very tightly. What are the characteristics of a liquid? The liquid have a definite volume but no definite shape. They take the shape of the container they are poured in. They can be compressed more easily than solid. The particles they are made up of are not so tightly packed as in solid. What are the characteristics of a gas? Gases have no definite shape or volume. They can be compressed very easily. The particles they are made up of are packed loosely. Next, whether vinegar is soluble or miscible in water. The answer will be miscible in water. Next, give some example of matters that can float on water. The examples are wood, cork, plastic, etc. Next, give some example of materials that sink in water. The example we can say rock, metal, brick, etc. Which materials are called magnetic material? The material which are attracted by a magnet are called magnetic material. Now, what is magnetism? The property by which a magnet attracts iron, cobalt, nickel or any magnet. This property is called magnetism. Next, give an example of magnetic material. And example we can say iron, nickel, tin, etc. Which materials are called non-magnetic materials? Materials that are made up of wood, plastic, rubber, etc. which do not attract by magnets are called non-magnetic materials. What is conduction of heat? The conduction of heat is the ability of a matter or a material that allow the heat to pass through them. And this type of materials are called conductors of heat. An example we can say any metals like iron, copper, etc. Which materials are called insulator of heat? The materials which do not allow heat to pass through them are called insulators. For example, we can say wood, plastic, glass, paper, etc. Next, what are conductors of electricity? The materials that allow to conduct electricity through them are called conductors of electricity. Examples are we can say copper, aluminium, etc. And the materials which do not allow the electricity to pass through them are called insulator. This example we can say wood, plastic, rubber, glass, paper, etc. Next question is what is classification of matter? The answer is when we separate or identify a single item or a group of objects based on more than one characteristics, then it is called classification. And what are the reasons for classification? It helps us to organize objects, making them easier to find, and it enables us to make a systematic study of objects. Hope that all the questions and their answers what I have discussed now, it will be very easier for your question answer preparation in the exam. If you like this, you like the video and share it to other and subscribe my channel to get the next video. Thank you for watching the whole video.